Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I did a little chit chat get ready video with me. But yeah, I did attempt, and this is a look that I created today. Today is my boyfriend's birthday, so happy birthday to you, David. I hope you have a fabulous day because you get to spend it with me. So, but yeah, this is my look that I'm wearing out tonight. We're just a birthday get together kind of thing. So yeah, if you guys want to get ready with me, then just keep watching. Okay, so we are going to begin with eyebrows, and what I'm using is my Anastasia Beverly Dip Brow Pomade, and this is a medium brown. Ever since I got this, it has changed my life for the better. Before I bought this product, I'm blurry, okay? I was using a powder, didn't really like it, but it was all I had. And then I bought like something else from like the drugstore, like a pomade kind of stuff, and I just started practicing with it. And then one day in Ulta, I was like, I might as well just go ahead and buy this. So I was like walking by constantly, and I was just like, go ahead, get it. And then I started using this, and let me tell you, it's freaking amazing. Totally glad I bought it. It was just like one of those things, like you want it, but you didn't know if you really wanted it. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my other eyebrow, and I carved them out using my CoverGirl Already Set Gorgeous Concealer, like I always use. I am in love with that concealer. It's at my favorite drugstore. I have no idea what kind of look I'm wanting to go for today. It is currently February the 16th at 4:26 p.m. It is my boyfriend's birthday, so happy birthday to you. We are going out to eat for his birthday, and I have my outfit picked out, but I don't know what I want to do with my makeup. Anyone else ever like that? Like, you know what you want to wear, you have a look in mind, but you're not really sure, but then you think of something else. It's totally me right now. I think I'm gonna do like something dark, maybe. I don't know. So we're just gonna roll with it like I always do. Okay, so I think we're gonna go in with this shade right here. I do not know the shade names. I lost my sheet to this palette that had all the names on it. I believe I might have thrown it away. If I did not intentionally mean to do it. So yeah. Ever since this palette, I've started keeping the boxes to all my eyeshadow palettes. So like all my new eyeshadow palettes that I get, they have their box with it. Like my Prism palette is sitting like right back there, and it has this box. The box is actually sitting on it. But yeah, we're going in with that dark cranberry shade. We're just gonna apply that to my crease, and I'm using a blending brush. This is a BMX 430, and I don't know the name. I got it out of my BoxyCharm. So we're just going to be putting that in my crease. The look I have in mind is probably not going to even turn out close to what I'm thinking that I want. It never fails. But yeah, now that I've done this shade, I think I'm just going to do like some cranberry tones, because my tank top that I'm wearing under my leather jacket, it's got like a, I'm looking at it right now, it's got like a little rose flower thing on it. It's like pink and cranberry, so I think that's what we're gonna do. I changed my camera settings. I was just messing around, I was taking pictures, and I changed it, and I don't know like what I originally had it on to film my videos. But anyways, what I was saying is since today is his birthday, he says he gets to do whatever he wants all day and all night. But we're going to be using this shade right here, and I'm going to be placing that on the outer corners of my crease. Just to darken that up a little bit. Since my whole outfit is like really dark, we're just going to make my eye kind of dark too. I have not sat down to do a talk through video in forever, and I think it's because I'm not very skilled at talking and doing my makeup, because this feels kind of weird, because I think like my last two videos, which were Valentine's Day looks, I like did no talking, and it was just like a short, easy, simple video. And I believe the one before that I did a voiceover. So this feels really weird to be talking. Like I used to do these all the time, and then I stopped. And now this just feels extremely weird. I want to actually sit down and start filming these kind of videos again. I think like all my videos like way before, it was like all talking. So recently I've been doing like all matte eyes. I used to be scared to do those, and I think I did one like maybe a month ago, but I did like a little glitter in with it. I know I did film a video, but before that I did, I was just playing around and I created that look and then I wanted to film it, but like it was an all matte eye besides the little glitter part up to the crease. And since then I've been loving just like all matte with like no shimmer. I don't know why, I just have. So ever since then, like a lot of looks that I've been doing, wearing out, have been just like all matte. So I thought, okay, step out of my comfort zone a little bit there. And speaking of eyeshadows, did anyone buy the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette? Because I sure enough didn't. Every time new makeup launches, I'm always broke. And I can't afford it, unfortunately. But I am wanting to get that. That palette is, it's like so pretty. It's like all neutrals and it's just like soft, just like the name. And I've seen swatches and it looks very promising. And I believe they swap back to the Modern Renaissance formula, which I love the Modern Renaissance palette. It's like one of my go-to palettes, and I actually use that for my Valentine's Day looks. So I'm really wanting to pick up that palette. So that palette, I'm coming for you. Just not at the moment. Wait till I have some money, because I will definitely be buying it. And then the new highlight, like oh my gosh, like I've seen swatches of that, and then I'm just like highlight is my all-time favorite product. Like I cannot live without highlight. And then I saw they have new lipsticks. Like I just hate when new makeup launches and I'm broke. Anyone else like that? Like all this makeup launches and you can't afford it. Like come on, like. Oh, I'm just adding a little bit of the pinkish purplish. Oh, I was about to. Ooh, that would be bad. I'm just adding some of it in with what I've done. Okay, I think I'm done with that. I am wanting to add shimmer. I just don't know what. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add this metallic silver. I'm probably gonna end up hating this as soon as I do it. It happened to me yesterday. I was doing an eye look and then I added some shimmer and I was just like, I'll apply that to my lid just to add a little bit of, just a little bit. But I'm just gonna go and clean up the corners and yeah. Now I'm going to hop off camera once again just to finish this eye over here, because that probably took me a really long time to do that. I don't even know how long it took. Like maybe 20 minutes. But, okay, so I literally did that eye so freaking fast. Like I don't even know how that was physically possible. I am very convinced that I cannot do my makeup and talk. Because I feel like it'd take me an eternity. I'm not even like exaggerating about that or anything. Okay, so I'm going to use a product that I have not used in forever, and it's Mikasa FX Enhancing Drops. The last time I used this, I feel like I dropped it everywhere. But I just want like a little extra glow. See exactly what I just did. I dropped it. I'm really just gonna leave this in the places that I like put highlight. I'm not gonna put it all over my face because I have done that before. So Yeah, it's my Maybelline It Fit Me foundation. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. I just bought this new bottle. Dude, this is my go-to drugstore. A lot of people don't like this, but I love it. Like, it's really good for a drugstore foundation. Now I'm just going to start buffing this into my face. But yeah, his birthday is today and my birthday is in 16 days. Birthday is March the 4th, so if any of you guys want to get me a present, I would totally love that. Just kidding. I'm going to be 20 years old. That is like a really weird number to say. Like, I really do not even want to think about me being that old, like 20. Not gonna be a teenager anymore, and it's kind of scary. Me, Callie, Amanda, Molly, we decided let's go on a spring break vacation. I have not been anywhere for spring break in forever, so we decided we are going to the beach. I haven't been to the beach since like last year, I believe. I don't remember. About a year ago. I went to Daytona Beach. Love it. But it was too long of a drive. So we decided we were going to Panama for all of our birthdays, but for technically Molly's birthday, since her birthday is actually during our little vacation. So she's going to be a little princess. It's going to be Molly's birthday. I'm really looking forward to going to the beach. I love the beach. But yesterday really got me excited for the beach. I was just like, I can just see myself sitting on the beach listening to the waves. Like, I'm obsessed with the water / ocean, but I actually love the mountains a little bit more. I grew up in the mountains, so I didn't think I'd rather go to Pigeon Forge / Gatlinburg, Tennessee to get a dogwood, but we're going to the beach, which I love also, so. Just the mountains, a little bit more. Love it a little bit more. Every time that we go out, I'm gonna have to do all their makeup. Molly might do her own because I've, quote, got her into makeup more. She bought herself the Modern Renaissance palette. So she might do her own, but then again, I may have to do their makeup. So, I mean, nothing wrong with that. Okay, so now I'm going to cream contour. I'm gonna use my cream contour, and I'm literally obsessed with cream contouring now. I did recently buy the Anastasia cream contour. I found it at Marshall's maybe. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, I don't really have that many products from them, but I do have 2 glow kits. Of the lip gloss and the contour, but like I'm just like obsessed with all their products. Eventually I'm going to own everything, just not at the moment because I am broke. But one day. And with my e.l.f. cream contour, I like to go in with my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer just to go over the like cream light shade that I put. I don't know why, I just add a little bit more coverage, I guess. Since I'm always like tired and you know, you gotta cover it up a little bit. And now I'm just going to blend that in with my, I think I got this from L'Oreal. I don't remember. This was like, I love the sponge. I need to buy some more. It always takes me forever to blend this in. So recently I've been trying to like think of some more like fun creative videos to post. I am going to be vlogging my trip to the beach. I don't know how well that's going to go because I'm going to like, because we're going to be on the beach all day. I don't know if I'm going to like really be able to vlog. I don't know why my nose running. But I am going to try and vlog, so that's going to be that. I am thinking about, I don't know like what else else to do. Like, I just want something like fun and creative. I have thought about doing I tried following a makeup artist tutorial. I know I've been seeing that go around a lot. I have been thinking about doing that, but unfortunately, like my editing, I can't put like the video on the screen because I edit with my phone because I don't have a MacBook. But I do have iMovie on my phone, and that is what I edit with, and I like it. I just wish I had a MacBook so I could like get some more like editing tools. But I am thinking about doing that anyway because it looks fun. And if I did, I'd do like Jeffree Star, Nikki tutorials, James Charles, because they like do some really fun creative looks. So I was like, maybe. So I am thinking about doing that. Just, I don't know yet. I don't know. I need like some inspo. So if you have any ideas from like video ideas, drop them down because I'm running out. But I do have one video I've got to get to film. I met a girl named Destiny. She's amazing. She's super sweet. And we talked about filming a collab together. We're actually going to do like probably an in-person collab. Because like I met her and she complimented my makeup and I was like, she's so sweet. And I told her I did YouTube and she said that she did too, and I was just like, I finally met someone else who does YouTube, and I was like super excited, and she was really excited that she met someone else that did YouTube also. So like, we both like had the idea, oh, we should do a collab, and we've been texting each other, and we're gonna do probably like a get ready with me or something like that. So I got to plan that out for us to get together and do a collab, and I'm super excited about that. So that's another video I can do, but until then, I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished up my contour and bronzer, and for some odd reason today I want to wear blush. I have not physically put on blush for like 4 months. So I pulled out my handy dandy Milani blush in Luminoso. I used to use this blush all the time. I'm just gonna put a little bit on, just a little bit. For highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Glow Kit in Send It. Actually, my first Anastasia product. I am almost out of Summer, which is my favorite. It's my favorite. But I am going to be using Summer and Moonstone mixed together. I don't know what Callie said. It was a video we did. She's like, Summer and Moonstone mixed together because Summer is not enough, but something about Moonstone, I don't know. So she mixed them together, and ever since her, I've been mixing them together. And I believe I'm going to use these. They're very dramatic. They're like very, very dramatic. I bought these recently, and I've been saving them, but I think I'm going to use them. So I'm going to hop off camera real quick and do my eyelash. Okay, so I finished my lashes, and all I have left to do is my lipstick, and I really don't know what shade I want to do. I have this shade, it's in Beeper. I don't remember if it's Ultra Matte or Ultra Satin, but it's from ColourPop. I think I'm just going to do this one first, and if I don't like it, I'll take it off. And I have another one in mind, and it's LAX, and that's an Ultra Matte. So we're just going to do this one first, and we're going to see. Now, I already know I'm not going to be talking while I do this. This is one thing I cannot do and talk at the same time. Other people might can, but I can't. So, we're about to see how this goes. Okay, so this is the finished look. I do like how it turned out. The lipstick is, I think I'm going to keep the lipstick. But yeah, this is my finished look. The eyes are, okay, I felt like I'm blurry. The eyes are definitely my favorite, and it's probably because of the eyelashes. I'm definitely going to be buying some more. Very dramatic. That's what I like. So, but yeah, if you guys liked this video, please leave it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.